Good morning, everyone. This is a video to help you download or enable the Google Chrome extension Nod. So what you're going to do first is you're going to type in the search bar chrome.google.com. Then you're going to select enter. At the very top of your screen, you're going to select the word extensions. Click on that. And the Chrome Web Store will now appear on your screen. At the very left of the screen, you're going to see Search the Store. You're going to type in the word Nod, N-O-D, then select Enter. The first extension that appears will be the Nod Reactions for Google Meet, and that is the extension that we would like you to add to your device. Mine is already added, so I don't have the option to add to Chrome. But if yours isn't added, yours will say add to Chrome and you will do so. If it is already added to your device, we want to make sure that it is enabled on your device to use on Google Meet. How you do that is at the very right upper hand corner of your screen, you're going to see a puzzle piece. If you hover over it, it says extensions. We want you to click on that. At the very bottom, you'll see a little like tool icon. It says manage extensions. You want to select that. And all of the extensions that you may have on your device will appear. So we want to look for that thumbs up icon because that represents the Nod extension. Mine is over here. You want to make sure that that little toggle there is moved all the way to the right. If it's not moved to the right and it's not like in a dark blue, that means it is not enabled on your device. So please make sure that that is the case. So if you click on it, if I slide it over like that, that means I can't use it. If I slide it over to the right and now that it's like a dark blue color, that means it's ready to be used on Google Meet. So make sure that that is where the toggle should be for your Nod reaction for Google Meet. If you have any questions, be sure to ask your teacher for help.